Hey, what's going on everyone? Michael back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create standard and private channels in Microsoft Teams. So to start, we want to create a team. Hopefully you guys already have a team to do this in. So we will call this team Project Management. Let's go ahead and create. All right, so I just created this project management team. If you want to add members, go ahead. But to start adding channels, you want to click on the triple dot, add channel. And here it'll allow us to create a channel. So let's say I want to make a channel for notifications. And I want everyone in this channel to be able to do this. So if you want a description, this is for channel, notifications. Sorry, my spelling is off today. Alright, so first we'll start with the standard channel. So everyone in your team will have access to this channel. Everyone will be able to talk, view the files and everything on default. And yeah, it'll show up in everyone's team. So if you want to automatically show this in everyone's channel's team list, you can do this right here. And we're just going to go ahead and click on that. And so it'll give us a new channel where you can talk and, type, say what's going on to your team. And you also have a file directory. It looks like, since it was just set up, it probably didn't load all the way. So it'll probably take some time, but we'll go ahead and get into a private team now. So for a private team, let's name this manager chat. All right, so we only want the managers to be able to chat in this channel. And so channel for managers, and we'll set the privacy to private. And there we go. So we have a private channel right here, which only people added to this channel will be able to see, but they do need to be in the main channel. So since I haven't added anyone in the main channel, let's go ahead and add someone. Let's add Abby Brown, and we'll add Bob Green, and we'll just make them members. And so we got two people in the main channel, me, Bob Green, and Abby Brown. So let's go back to the chat, and let's go to the private team manager chat settings, which is triple dot. And we have a few options here. Let's go ahead and add members. And since we added Abby and Bob Green, we can also add them here as well. But if you didn't add them to the main channel, you won't be able to add them here, and we'll just keep them members of this channel. And as you can see, we have owners and members of this private channel. So when you create a private channel, it also creates its own SharePoint on the back end, apart from the main SharePoint. The project management will have its own SharePoint. Manager chat will have its own SharePoint. Let me bring it up right here. So as you can see, it creates a new SharePoint, so project management manager chat. And here, only the people within the team will be able to access these files. And so it's nice little security for you. And that would be a really quick demo of how to create a private and a standard channel. That'll be the video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.